Hey everyone, welcome back to Health and Wealth. Glowing Star. Summer is here, and staying hydrated is the secret to feeling fresh, energized, and glowing all day. Smiling face with hearts. Today, I'm going to share 5 super easy cucumber dishes that will not only keep you hydrated but are also so delicious you'll want them every day. Fork and knife with plate. So grab your cucumbers, and let's dive right in. Seedling. Cucumber dish 1, Cucumber Mint Lemonade. Studio microphone host. First up, a refreshing cucumber mint lemonade. Lemon. Just blend 1 cucumber, a handful of mint leaves, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a spoonful of honey. Strain and pour over ice. So refreshing, it feels like drinking pure sunshine. Sun. Cucumber dish 2, Cucumber Yogurt Deep Raita. Second, we have the classic cucumber yogurt deep, also called raita in India. Grate 1 cucumber and mix it with chilled yogurt, a pinch of salt, roasted cumin powder, and fresh coriander. Serve with your meals or enjoy it as a healthy snack. Cucumber dish 3, Cucumber Avocado Salad. Third dish, Cucumber Avocado Salad. Avocado. Dice cucumber, avocado, tomatoes, and onions. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toss everything gently and enjoy this creamy, hydrating bowl of goodness. Cucumber dish 4, Cucumber Sushi Rolls. Number 4, for something a little fancy, Cucumber Sushi Rolls. Sushi. Slice cucumbers lengthwise into thin strips. Roll them with a filling of carrots, avocado, and a tiny bit of cream cheese. Secure with a toothpick and boom, a low-carb, super hydrating snack. Cucumber dish 5, Spicy Cucumber Chaat. And finally, Spicy Cucumber Chaat. Hot pepper. Chop cucumbers into cubes, sprinkle chaat masala, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of chili powder. Mix well and serve chilled. It's tangy, spicy, and super refreshing. So there you have it, 5 easy cucumber dishes to boost your hydration and beat the summer heat. Sun face. Which one are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. Down finger. And hey, if you found these recipes helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Green heart. Stay cool, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye. Hand waving.